bridge. We were fishing with a KP. Tail. It's got a bony. Water is flying down here. There's a lot of reeds. They've cut, but they haven't dredged. Now, the farmers down here, or the municipality for this area, governing body or whatever you want to call it, they pretty good, and they actually dredge either side of the bridge of this river to keep it neat, and because all this on the side here, that grows pretty thick. When you're walking down here, you can't even see over it to see the water. You've got to wave your little paws down to there and use a stick and beat the bush, get an opening. But they've since taken action and they keep it cut and neat. You dredge all that bank, but it's moving fast. From all the rains, it's high. Very good spot this. Caught many pike down here. The days that we used to use the camera or video or anything like that, it was just down for the crack. Get your fish, set it free, take a photo sometimes. Now it's all about good walk down around the corner. There's actually a nice spot. There's another little lock, the different levels of the river, the boats, and I used to fly fish down here and get the odd small brown trout. Never really got anything big, so it's small. Until I hooked that pike, my first pike, and that brought on a whole new series of fishing.